welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is dissecting a video that Erica made that's geared towards him. Now, Erica said that I came with my encyclopedia. I came with my own. My pum pum yam gave me so much, so you have to go on over and watch the video because Dwayne is there. He's laughing about the situation. He's laughing about what she's saying. And, going on, he's cheering her. So go ahead and watch the video. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget that there's memberships available. And you can also go ahead and check out the store and see the different stuff that are available for purchases. Or for purchase, you could go ahead and make a purchase. Thank you so much for your continued support and have a lovely day.
Yeah, the video.
The biggest bank in the world, I got it. Me come with everything. Social media no give me nothing.
All right.
Me now have to fight with social media money. But me chat paya, so me deserve it. Nearly 3 years now me the paya.
All right, talk up.
And everybody else I use my context, so I what? Make me can't use my own.
Talk up, what it talk up.
Well, no come and take front seat. Take front seat.
Without the front, I want to share the video. Without the front seat, we're in the front seat. Front seat with there. Why your people business, alleged business too.
Use a disgrace to the fish world. Me know enough fish and snapper no like
she
you.
She obsessed with me, She obsessed.
Can you use a disgrace?
Obsession
use
at the highest level.
Use a disgrace to your family. Oh, you talk about father and mother all the while. You want to your mother husband where your sister father.
You're the idiot. You're the idiot.
And you can't talk nothing about that man. And that man alone. No sit down with your nastiness where you are. And that man alone. No say you alone ever give him bun. Cause you live under your mama. And you come on social media and discuss your mother front. This wasn't me.
Tell me more.
Everybody you want to come discuss on social media. Miss Betty. And you alone for come on social media. In your pampas. How long can you sit
use a tongue and lick up my tea wall?
Without your pampas. And you have to get up. And go change your Maddox. How many times? How long can you sit down without changing your Maddox?
As often as you can use a tongue and lick up my tea wall.
You have a good body. And before you open up your canal,
you have to choke.
Sorry.
You have to choke. You have to choke. You have to choke for choke. You have to choke. Lord mercy, my soul, I cannot be bothered, people. This woman is obsessed. Obsession at the highest level. Imagine my mom.
So me and Miss Cyrus
I don't need to justify that. Me and my share the same that.
Move by yourself. When Titanic pass through, you make it sink.
Move by yourself.
Don't come to me.
For yourself.
And you can't
for yourself. Everybody talk for yourself.
You can't reach me. You cannot be me. You cannot be a woman.
I would never want to be a woman.
Doesn't matter what you are going to say. So every woman on social media
I would never want to sell pum pum. I would never want to sell pum pum. No, darling.
And you feel like you can't tear up. Tell me what social media give me.
A lot of money. Pro box. Social media gave you a pro box. A pro box. Fix up your house.
Tell me what social media
fix up your house. Buy your pro box. Make it look nice. And buy your cigarettes. Your cigarettes.
Social media with what I have.
Like Yeah, the little piece of house, yes.
If social media that give me something.
And the little piece of van, yes.
They come here with me house a paint and now.
And the little piece of van, yes.
So me a work more than work social media give me. Every Monday morning me have to get up and score a pot. And I love it. Can me see what me do. And me love to do it. Cause me no wicked like you. Me want to see other people eat. You know much weekend I want go out there. Go wine up and dine up. No do me.
You can't hear.
49 years old
You can't hear, Yolanda. You can't hear. Don't lie.
Face yet.
Come off the live and come back on.
Me never wear no farm there sitting here with them a rub up on face. None never rub on for me. Me is just me. And I will never change.
Mad.
When you see me with one little hairstyle, I me do it myself.
Mad, sick, head no good.
If me feel like guy barber shop and cut, me cut.
Mad, sick, head no good.
None of one up on here. And your followers them.
No good. Mad, sick, head
when
no
you
good.
sit down, everybody mix up. Come out, come talk, we make.
Mad, sick, head
when
no
Christmas you can't go home.
Sick, head no good.
New Year's you can't go home. You're miserable.
Mad,
you delete the most life on social media.
Lies it out.
When New Year's you can't go home.
I can. Come my family love me.
Your mother husband no want to see you. Your mother sit down with you, walking around and joking off the young family then. Look. You come to Jamaica, and who you head for? You little 11-year-old boy, and then you delete the life. You are a disgrace, and when your uncle asks you, on the life if you are a fish, you say no.
Okay.
But praise the Lord, everybody I find out. And when you lick your lip, you say something more you love.
She said, I'm licking it now.
And you're the only one who come on social media and say, me search my mother front.
I'm licking my lips
me
now.
Me and my mother most are there. You say your mother are 50 odd and you are 30 odd. Me I take man before but she breed before me. She start off picnic from she at 13.
You there?
She's a liar. Cause she are 50 and you are 36.
Why?
Check when she works.
This woman, she's crazy. She mad.
Number woman.
She's mad. A mad woman.
Oh, no one discriminate people. And talk about who asleep with man from early. Ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to YouTube. To watch one of Jamaica.
Bad, yo. Gabisha is one mad bitch. She's a mad bitch. Mad as fuck.
My job is my job. Your job is your job.
And it's not a whore.
I whore. Yes, me whore.
Why?
Come on.
Why?
When daylight a morning, me want me show, me I come back on YouTube.
But
show,
yes, darling, you're supposed to.
The amount of value. With Erica, the landlord.
With the people their money. With the people their money, though.
Whole heap of value. So can you ever come out and talk about the landlord pum pum yam?
Cause you're nasty. Duh. You are the scum of the earth.
Education.
And
make way landlord make.
Scum. We don't want scum money. We don't want scum money.
You guys who are
does any of you on here want scum money? Talk the truth. We don't want scum money.
Education make where the landlord make.
Talk to Maureen Milliard. Yeah, my
Why
mom's
we
name
just
say.
take a little walk in the downstairs?
No, darling, we don't want to see.
Downstairs have two veranda.
No, we don't care to with the man with
Upstairs
Walter
have
money.
three balcony.
Walter
Second
money.
floor.
Walter money do it. Walter
Third floor
money do
have
it.
a big nice balcony.
Walter money did it. Walter money did it. Walter.
We have spiral stairs.
Walter money do it. Mm-hmm.
My bathroom then tile from